MyBudget. MyBudget is an Australian financial services company based in Adelaide, Australia, which provides spending management services including through an app. History. In 2007, BRW magazine announced that MyBudget had grown at an average rate of 50% each year since the company was founded. It also said that the service provided aided a variety of Australians from differing backgrounds. Product. MyBudget provides a personal budgeting service. The service analyzes a client's finances, from income to debts and finally their expenses. The budgeting system works by ranking each bill in order of priority, from those which are the highest, such as loan and mortgage repayments, to those with a lower priority, after charging its fee which averages $42 per week. Once this information has been collated, MyBudget then creates a complete working budget for the long term for an individual or entire household. Criticism and hacking. In December 2013, MyBudget was named in a national current affairs television report as profiteering at the expense of people who are struggling with debt. MyBudget issued a statement responding to the report. As of 2017, MyBudget is the object of a class action due to withholding interest accrued by clients. In September 2018, the courts dismissed the proceedings. In 2020, the MyBudget system collapsed, leaving customers unable to transfer funds or determine whether their bills would be paid or how much remained in their budget, and expressing concerns as to whether the significant personal data held by MyBudget had been leaked or hacked. Later, hackers claimed to have stolen data from MyBudget using ransomware and threatened to publish it unless paid.